Here's the inside of my LS 460 before the ZLZ repair is done by the dealer. This side's pretty good, but inside they were showing me this milkiness looking. That's the part that indicates that the white stuff, that the part has gone bad. And this door is not very bad. Rear passenger side. This is the rear driver's side, and you can see a little milkiness more here on this one, or that white chalky look. That's what they call it. There's the inside. This is the front driver's side, and here you can see cracking. That, and then more of the chalky look here. So this is before the ZLZ repair at Lexus tomorrow. And then this inner piece here, some chalkiness as well. This is the passenger side. You can see the chalkiness before the ZLZ, and then the glove compartment, you could see that chalkiness as well along here, and then a little down by the seat belt there of that inner console. So again, this is the interior. Here's some chalkiness before the ZLZ repair. Thanks for watching. I just got my 2007 LS 460 back from the dealer. They hand delivered it to me at my office in Eau Claire, which was super nice. And you can see the all new glove compartment here. It opens like a dream. This is after the ZLZ recall. And there's no more milkiness on all these parts. Previously it was milky looking down here, they called it. And you could rub your finger and feel it rub off, especially in the heat. So that's all new. And then I also noticed the glove compartment opens nice now. There was a little piece down here that used to bunch out, so you'd have to just punch it in to open it. And then these side panel doors are all new, which you can see how the original leather looks. And here's the driver's side. All new. In fact, this wood piece I believe was replaced because it had a crack, and you can just tell this is all new parts. And then this, if you recall my previous video, that's where you could rub your finger and see that white from the heat. Here's the passenger, rear passenger, all new. Wow, it's beautiful seeing it like a brand new car. And then the interior here, this was milky, that's all new. The centerpiece. And then I'll just show you the driver's side passenger. That door is all new as well. And the guy who just delivered it, lovely guy with his wife, he said he's seen an LS at the dealership with 500,000 miles. An older one, so it might even be the 430 or something. But I've got 222, and I said I want to get to 3 300,000, and he said, oh yeah, I've seen them with 500,000, and you can get to that no problem. Something like that. Great guy, and his wife delivered the cars. So many thanks to Lexus for repairing this completely covered under the ZLZ, and to Lexus of Maplewood for their great customer service.